Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Vivo T1 Pro. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Now decide that you want to get notifications and add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. Like this picture. Click import. Now you can add just a shape to the document or the picture and click on the arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. If you want to add you can also add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. Okay, if you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send the documents from the list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.